Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming both devices share the same Wi-Fi. This is essential because AirPlay uses local network discovery. Once done, make sure iOS and the receiver's firmware are updated so compatibility bugs are minimized. Turn off VPN and temporarily disable Bluetooth if it interferes. Finally, check your router isn't isolating clients. Guest networks often block discovery. These initial steps remove common network barriers, and then you're ready to attempt the first AirPlay connection. Next, open Control Center and choose Screen Mirroring or the AirPlay icon, then select the receiver. This initiates the discovery handshake that streams audio or video. If a PIN appears on the display, enter it. This secures pairing. If you don't see the receiver, toggle Wi-Fi off and on or reconnect to the network. That restarts discovery. You can also run a quick ping or use the router's client list to verify both IPs are visible, because discovery and handshake depend on local visibility. Finish by optimizing the stream. Lower video resolution or close heavy apps to reduce latency, because bandwidth contention often causes stutter. If the stream drops, restart the iOS device, the AirPlay receiver, and the router in that order. This clears transient network states. As a final troubleshooting move, reset network settings on your iPhone or iPad, but remember to back up Wi-Fi passwords. It resolves persistent configuration conflicts. One key tip: test with another device to isolate whether the issue is the phone or the receiver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.